Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery for the Honda Civic, Accord, or Odyssey. The way that you know your battery is bad or out is when you press one of these two buttons, the lock and unlock, and the light indicator does not turn red. The replacement is very simple. You don't have to go to the dealer. Just you need a screwdriver, a flathead, or your fingernail, and you should replace this within a minute or two. So here we go. All right, there is a screws. You can get a small Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew it. And there's a little latch right here. Like I say, you can either use your fingernail or a flathead. Just put it in there and pull it out. As you can see, it came off right off. But I want to show you guys that there's a latch. So technically you should be just turn it like that and it will come out. And now pop this out. There we go. It's a lock. It's a lock. So, like I say, the whole time I've been using my fingernails for this. For this, there is an arrow right here. Just pop this up. And this is a lithium cell CR1616 3-volt. Just purchase this on Amazon or any store that has it. I happen to have a spare one, so I'm going to replace it. So it's a brand new battery. Just pop it in, press it in, and it comes in. Then there's a fat lock right here. I will latch it in, press it in. So it looks very it's closed in. So before you put it back, I would try to press the button. There you go. See a red light, which is good. Although sometimes, you know, red is not good, but in this case, red is good. Face in. Everything looks good. Then we put this in. Pop it in. All right. Looks good. Put the screws back in. And it took roughly less than 3 minutes. Ta-da, that's it. Well, if you like my video, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.